What's going on, YouTube? Anchor the Alchemist back with another video for you. And look what I got here for you today. The AMD RX 9070 XT, specifically the gaming Gigabyte or Gigabyte Gaming model. So, really excited about this. Tried to get one since it first came out. Not this particular one, but you know what I'm saying, a 9070 XT. Tried B&H Photo, Newegg, Amazon, Best Buy. None of them had them in stock. And I finally got around to Newegg yesterday, and they didn't have any in stock. Well, I didn't think they had any in stock, but they did have them in stock if you bundled it with like a motherboard or a CPU. So I actually got this one bundled with a 9700X, so easy day. So finally got one, excuse me, and can't wait to get it installed in the system. I don't know if I'm gonna pair it up with a 9700X or the 7800X 3D. But I did pick up some Corsair Vengeance DDR5 CL28 RAM at 6,000 mega transfers per second as well. So I got to figure out which rig I'm gonna actually put this in. So easy day. So I've already taken it out the box. Nothing much to the box or in the box. Only thing you had in there was a video card itself and this graphics card quick guide. That was it. So easy day. Of course, this is the RDNA 4 architecture. It's supposed to have 64 compute units with 3rd gen RT and 2nd gen AI accelerators, which I don't really care nothing about the AI, but anyway, easy day. And it has DisplayPort 2.1 Alpha. It has 2 of those. And of course, it has HDMI 2.1 as well. So let's take a quick look around the card itself. We won't make this too long. Easy day. It does come with some plastic on it. Comes with this sticker, which I'm covering up the serial number with it. So easy day. And it actually wraps around the card. And I still got to take these stickers off these fans. It has triple fans. And on this logo, the only thing that lights up in RGB is this Gigabyte logo. And you can actually pull this over this little plastic cover so you don't even see the Gigabyte logo. So easy day. You've got 3 8-pin power connections, and you've got a switch here for performance mode and quiet mode. Of course, I'm having it in performance mode. You got a metal back plate, and you got a ventilation area for the heatsink over here. Here's the connections with some more ventilation in the back. You got 2 HDMI 2.1s and the 2 DisplayPort 2.1 alphas, which I've already talked about. It looks like it's a double slot card, maybe 2.5, maybe. Easy day. And yeah, you got the PCIe slot right here, or connection, which they put a cover on it. Easy day. And you can see the heat sink. Looks like this is for the fans, to turn the fans, power the fans, these little wires here. Easy day. So nothing really on the front, but it says game on. That's on the front. So yeah, and just got Radeon down here, so pretty beefy heatsink. I think the 9070 comes with 2 8-pins. And Gamers Nexus just did a fantastic video talking about how efficient the 9070 actually is. I almost bought the 9070 because I couldn't get one of these, and I had it in my cart, and I was like, and I waited too long, and then somebody else bought it, and I'm glad they did, because then I would have had a 9070 instead of a 9070 XT. I read somewhere online that you can get these to perform at the level of a 5080 if you undervoted. I'm not sure about that, but that's what I actually saw. I can't remember where I saw it at. I didn't even read the article, I just saw it. It might have been, was it WCCF Tech or Tom's Hardware or Tech Power Up? It might have been one of them. So I'm gonna definitely look into that one, or look into that, see if we can undervote it and see what kind of performance we get. Of course, you're not gonna match the ray tracing performance of a 5080, but if this gets close, or even, you know, 4070 Ti or 4080 performance for ray tracing, and I'm good, especially for the price of these. But the good thing about it is AMD is getting them out there, so they got a good supply from what I'm looking at, because you still can't find a 5070 Ti or 5070 online right now. But you sure can get one of these if you're just a little bit diligent or wait a little bit. And I'm sure they're restocking these as quick as possible. Now, if I was next to a Micro Center, I would already have one. But the closest Micro Center for me is about 200 miles away. So, easy day. I also picked up a 7600 XT. And if you're looking to get one for 1440p, the 7600 XT is fantastic. And I wish I would have bought that when it was $269 back in November and December. Now the price has gone up on them to about $350, which I don't know if AMD's still making them or not. They're probably not. So easy day, but I'm gonna get this installed in the system and see how it performs. I just got to determine once again if I'm gonna pair this up with a 7800 X3D or a 9070. So look out for the videos for this and how it performs. And you know, I may start off with Stalker, see how it does. Easy day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for the next video. Later. Alright YouTube, I decided to pair it up with the Ryzen 7 7800 X3D and not the RX 9700 XT. So easy day. And I didn't change the memory out either. This has DDR5 CL30 Corsair Vengeance 6000 mega transfers per second memory, so that's pretty good. They're not it's not CL28 but CL30. That should be good enough. I'm not gonna notice much of a difference unless I run some benchmarks, and then it'll be very, very small differences, if any. So easy day for that. This rig, talking about the rest of the specs, all the fans in there are Corsair IQ Link QX 120s, which are pretty cool. I like these because, you know, how they light up on both sides and everything. Easy day. And the CPU we already talked about. The GPU we know what it is. The motherboard is an MSI X670E Godlight. Fantastic motherboard. I like this one better than the new one that came out, because this one actually has 3 PCIe slots instead of 2 like the new one has. But you know, if I can catch that new one on a refurb or a open box, I may pick it up. But easy day. And that's an IQ Link CPU cooler, which is a Corsair H150i. The case is a Lian Lee 011 Dynamic Evo XL. Fantastic case. It's just big, so that's why I only got one of them. If it wasn't so big, you know, well, the size of it, yeah, it's pretty big. I just ain't got no more room for it. I would like to get another one, but it's just big. But easy day. And it has 3 NVMe drives. It has a Crucial T705 2 terabyte. It has a Crucial T500 2 terabyte. And then the other one's a Team Group 1 terabyte NVMe drive. If I was wrong, I'll put some pop-ups on the screen to actually say what they are. I tend to forget sometimes what's in there, but easy day. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this part here real quick at the end of the video to show you what it looks like installed in there. As you can see, you just got a little bit of RGB lighting here. Not that much at all. Not that much at all. I said of all, but I meant at all. So yeah, easy day. And I'm glad it ain't got that much RGB on it with everything else in there. The motherboard, the fans, the memory. Yeah, it's all RGB'd out. So just having a little bit of subtle RGB on there actually works out. And it comes, if you look at it, and this is an EATX motherboard, it comes right to the end of the EATX motherboard. So it fits just right. It's not too long. It's not too short. I know it wouldn't have mattered if it would have been longer, but you know, look how it just comes right there to the end of the motherboard right there. So that's pretty cool how that matches up. So yeah, easy day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I just wanted to add this portion to it to show you what it looks like. And I got to get to seeing how it actually performs, because I haven't played any games on it yet. So again, thank you so much for watching, and come back for the next one. Later.